Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to do my March favourites. So someone got like really triggered because I keep saying like welcome to my channel, so I've got a really exciting video, but every video is exciting and I'm not going to stop saying it because one person thinks it's annoying. I don't care. Anyway, yeah, I've been doing my monthly favourites every month for like a long time. So well, let's just get started. I haven't got as many products and I've got like a couple repetitions of other months, but I've got quite a few new subscribers, so I thought since February I've gained literally over 1,000 new people since my last favourites. So I just thought I'll include some of my new old favourites before and we'll be fine. So let's just get into it. We take a minute to appreciate. Someone's got her neck out, someone's got her shoulders out, went off the shoulder top. This is actually my 11-year-old sister's top. I know, River Island, kids, what is it, size 11 to 12 or something, who cares. I'm feeling it. It's really tight, hurting me a little bit. The sleeves are really short, but that's fine because it looks cute and I love off the shoulder tops, and because it's white it makes me, the palest person ever, look dark. Well, not dark, but you know what I mean. Anyway, also can we get this video to 150 likes, so hit that like button down below, and also if you aren't subscribed already, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I upload every other day, but like I upload most days, but sometimes I'm just like can't be bothered. No, not can't be bothered, sometimes I'm like nah, I can't be bothered to film today, you know what I mean. Okay, let's just get started. So first of all I'm going to start with makeup, and the first thing I have to show you is, if I can get it that would help, is this Dermacol Film Studio makeup cover, and it looks like this. This is literally £8 and I've in the shade 08, I think. Something like that. 208. And this, okay, so I bought this ages and ages ago because you know when this whole thing was out about the high coverage foundation in the world. This is what like the most famous foundation was like a year ago, and I bought it just because I was going to like do a testing video for it even though I had like 60 subscribers. We've got to start somewhere, guys. And I tried it and it looked really weird because I didn't have many spots, and I was like, you know what, this is weird. But it is honestly the most high, I've got it on today, like look, you would not think I had spots, yet I have like the most spotty face in the world, and it just covers it all, and it doesn't look cakey. You got to be careful though, literally you could put a dot on your face and it could cover half your face, a tiny little dot. It spreads so easily and it's only £8. There's so many shades, well I think they do. But this really does cover everything, and it does cover a tattoo with a few layers, and it covers bruises, stuff like that. And it's just honestly amazing. I'd really think of getting this. It's so good for Halloween looks. Yeah, but I'm so glad I rediscovered it. How did I? I can't remember now. But I'm using it, I've been using it like most days for the past week, and I'm so in love. Like, can we just... Okay, next I have a concealer. So the concealer I actually have is the L'Oreal True Match. So I tried this about a month ago, like January, February, and I wasn't like a massive fan of it. But I've been using it to cut my crease sometimes, or to use it as base, and under my eyes. It's really nice, and it is quite full coverage, not as full coverage as other ones, and also this is the lightest shade and it's not that light. I could wear it with my other foundation that was a bit too dark for me, but I can't wear it with this, unfortunately. But it's really good. Also, as an eye base, it's amazing. And I think it's like $7.99. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't want to get my sister's shirt dirty. Not that she'll notice, but you know, you never know. Yeah, I'll show you actually. And it smells so nice. I always have to smell stuff. It smells a bit like chemicals, but I like it. And it's really smooth, and it doesn't feel heavy under your eyes. Yeah, it just feels really like a smooth texture. I'm loving it. I am here for it. Okay, next I have a blush. So the blush I have is the Benefit Dandelion. This is actually the mini one though, and my lovely best friend Mia bought it for me and a few other things on like a set for Christmas. And the mini one, I'm not sure how much it is, but this blush is like the most best colour for pale skin tones. I can't really swatch it because my nail, hang on. It is so nice, and it's just like this pink colour. You can't really see it much. Oh, sorry, this shirt's really annoying me now. Can you see that glow? Can you see my glow? I'm pretty sure you can see my glow. Look at my glow, guys. Look at my glow. Stop. Yeah, this is just like the perfect shade. Perfect shade. Perfect. Why can't I say T? I'm like, I've got a cold. Perfect shade ever, like you've ever seen. Well, okay, not for everybody, but it's just like the best pink, it's like a darky pink when you swatch it, and it comes out so pigmented on your cheeks, and I'm loving it. I just love it. See my glow on camera, guys. We've got to appreciate this glow. Like, okay, and that is rolling into the next thing. We have got a glow kit for you. Now, I actually included this in another monthly favourites, but it just needs its time again. It needs its time to shine. Get it? Because it's shiny, like it needs its time to shine. You'll get it, you got it first, didn't you? This is the glowiest glow ever. It's the Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god! I actually can't with this palette. I'm going to show you in the light, hang on. I don't know if you can see or not, but if you can't, you need to take a little cheeky trip to your local town, go to Specsavers, because look. I'm sorry, if you can't see my glow, you need to go. No glow? No glow. Stop it, someone, stop it. Yeah, this is insane. It genuinely is insane. All of these shades, especially these two here, the like marshmallow and butterscotch, my favourite. This would be good. This is like one of the only glow kits from Anastasia that are good for powder, like a normal glow kit, like not a raw like Moonchild. Only good one for like light skin tones, because I feel like a lot of them are quite dark, made for dark skin tones, like the Sun Dipped palette, stuff like that. This is insane. I can't. It's £41, but really, what's that? For 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. How much are you paying? Like paying £10 for each shade? That's cheaper. That's like drugstore highlighter. You're paying £10 for each shade. Like what? That's really affordable, really, when you think about it. £10 each shade. I'm done. Some like NARS, their nail highlighters are £38 each. I'm not here for it. Next I have an eyeshadow palette, and I'm definitely included this. I think, okay guys, go back and watch my old video. I think I included this in my June favourites, like last year. Hi, there's a mirror there. It's the Morphe 35B, and I did not go off of it, but I mean, I wasn't really practising with much makeup, and this past month I've been really into practicing makeup again. Obviously I love like makeup and always practice, but like proper getting into it again. And I have, unfortunately, the old packaging because I bought it like a year ago, so it's the Morphe 35B, as I've said already, and it looks like this. Oh my god, I don't think you realise, I can't use another palette. I hate all my other palettes compared to this. Oh, like besides Juvia's Place. I just love this palette so much. So much. It has everything you'd need if you wanted to look like a rainbow. Like, this is the rainbow of your eye. Stop, someone. Stop. Oh my god, look at my glow. Stop it. I stop going on about my glow. It just has every shade. Look for a shade. Blue has a blue. Pink has a pink. Actually, it has 4 different kind of pinks. 4 different kinds of blues. There's like 3 purples. Oh, and that technically is a purple, okay. It just has everything. It has a white. I mean, what palette is a white? Not many. It's a white. It's a matte white. It has everything. It's just, why am I holding it sideways? It has everything, okay. And it's like £23. And you get the nice new packaging if you buy it now. And like, unfortunately, I didn't. So I hate this old packaging. Yeah. Okay, next I have some lashes. They are from Bougie Lash. They haven't actually launched yet, but they kindly sent me some PR. They're a new lash brand coming out on Instagram, and they are insanely good. Like, their lashes, I think they've come out with quite a few now and there, but they're quite behind like the PR and that. But I'm so grateful for them sending to me, because, and I'm not just saying this because they got sent to me, because you know I'm like the most honest person ever. If I start getting like lots of PR, I will slate that product if I hate it. And they can like kick me off their PR list, because I don't want to be like, oh, it's so good, when it's not, because them YouTubers really get on my nerves. Anyway, these lashes are insane. Go on my Instagram, and this is what I'm wearing in most of my pictures, on my eye pictures. Look at them. They're so fluffy. You can't see them like that, but they're so fluffy. They are so fluffy. They're like little fluff balls of like my dog on eyelashes, because these are little fluff balls up. If you go over to my Instagram, it's just Summer Teal, spelled Teale. not T-I-L-L, not T-E-A-L. It's the colour with the E on the end. Summer Teal, just Summer Teal. I changed my name from S Makeup to _ because I didn't want to be restricted to just having a makeup account. I wanted it to be like my YouTube makeup account. But I still do post most makeup on there. But these are insane. I'm not sure what the price is going to be, but they are 3D Mink lashes. I kind of wish they were a faux mink, but got to deal with it. These are real mink. But they are insanely good. They are fluffy, they are sprawly, they are just, I can't. There's so many, like they put a lot of effort into these, a lot of effort. I just can't. And I think they're doing really well by sending like loads of PR out and getting like a good base up and having people be promoters before they launch. Because I feel like that's a lot of wrong things. Like the lash brand usually launches and then expects everyone to buy them when they've got like 10 followers. Like they've nearly got 1,000 followers and they haven't even launched yet. Like that is dedication, okay, my loves. Right. Next I have a lip product that I think I've put like in every favourite. No, I'm joking. I have definitely put it in before. But it's the Too Faced Melty Matte in shade Cool Girl. This is my current favourite matte liquid lipstick. So I haven't been wearing much matte. I've been wearing more lip glosses. But if I do want to wear a matte lip, this is the one I've been like only wearing. So yeah, it's in the shade Cool Girl and it's a perfect nude, or for me anyway. And it's so good. These are a bit pricey, but I think it's worth it. I mean, I don't really like Too Faced. I don't like how they market their products. I don't like their products much. But this lip product is absolutely insanely good. Okay, and now we have a brush. I always like to include a little brush in my video, in my favourites. And this month's brush of choice is this one. It's the Morphe M14A and it's this tiny little brush. So this is good for like two things. Well, I use them for two things. One of it is inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, and down there. Amazing at that. And now to cut the crease, to use concealer to cut the crease, it's amazing. It is amazing. It's really precisional and it's really cheap, this brush. Like, I literally think it's about £2.50. You need this brush in your life. It could do so many things. You could get your earwax out. No, I'm joking. Pick your nose. No, I'm joking. Yeah, that is all the makeup I have. I have something really random to show you as well. These wipes. Okay, so basically I don't use wipes to take off my makeup. This is for another thing. If I want a skincare routine, I can do that. But does anyone want to take my skincare advice? I mean, I don't really get many good results out of it. No, I'm joking. But these are the Lacura cleansing facial wipes, and they're actually really good. They're from Aldi. I think they're like Aldi's own brand. They're really good because they don't irritate your eyes, and which is weird because you'd think like they're really cheap. They think they irritate their eyes, but whatever. And they're really good, and they literally get off anything. I use them to take my eyebrows off sometimes, or also I use one every morning to get the eyebrow pomade off my brush. And when I'm cleaning my eyeshadow brushes, I quickly use one of these wipes. Use them to wipe makeup off my desk. They're just amazing, honestly. I thought I'd just give them a little inclusation. How much are these wipes? Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. Alright, well I think they're only about 8-9p. So, if you like Aldi, these wipes are good because they don't sting your eyes. Do you agree?
You think they do?
Yeah!
I haven't tried them on eye makeup yet.
No, they're alright on your eyes. It's more, I take them to take off my eyebrows or like makeup on my brushes.
Oh.
What, you do use them?
Yeah, on my face makeup. I haven't tried them on my eyes yet.
Oh, okay. And that is it for makeup. So now I have some shoes to show you. Okay, so the shoes I have are these Steve Madden, I think they're called Steve Madden. Are they Steve Madden? Yeah, when did I don't really, what am I doing? These boots here, oh my god, they are literally my dream boot. My dream heel, look. They're silk, and, well, are they silk? They feel like silk. Satin, they're satin. What are they called, the gazing boots or whatever?
I don't know, but I know they're satin.
Okay, well, she knows they're satin. Are you sitting out my door listening? I was going to say, literally, look, they've got the little Steve Madden inside and I love them. I think they're called the Gaze boots and they're in the colour blush, I think. But these are honestly so nice and they fit, and I have a really skinny ankle and usually like boots they don't pull into my ankle. But these are so nice and when you zip them up, they fit right around my ankle really perfectly and they're just so comfortable. And they're quite tall heels. Like, I don't ever wear trainers. When was the last time you saw me wear trainers? Yeah, year and a half ago, because I literally don't wear trainers. I hate trainers. I don't know, it's just, Can you imagine me walking around in my outfits with trainers on? Like I don't know quite what my style is yet, but I never wear trainers, I always wear heels, and these are so comfy and so perfect, like they're the perfect boot heel. We have for today, if you haven't subscribed already, did you hear what I just said?
Yeah.
If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and please like this video. Let's try and get it to 150 likes, and comment. Comment now, or dislike it if you didn't like it, either one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Love you all, bye.